Welcome back to Two Wheel Drive Garage. It is time for part 2 of our body swap on our Mustang, where we are taking a 67 Mustang body and putting it on an '03 Grand Marquis. Today, we're going to start cutting the actual body of the Grand Marquis off, and then the next step will be to cut out the floor of the Mustang. So, we're excited about this. We hope you are too. We want to say thank you to all of our new subscribers and everybody that's following along. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Let's see what happens. So what's the plan?
So I think that was a boo-boo, so I had to re-weld that back up. I thought I knew I had a plan, but I didn't. But anyways.
You had a plan and the plan changed.
So now we're
Just go with
cutting
that.
it here, and cutting it here, and then I'm going this way. I'm going around, and I'm going through. My only concern is when I get past this, about halfway up, the tank's there, but I have enough room. If I stay on this side, where I'm at, everything will be fine. I won't hit the tank. In theory.
All right, let's do it.
So,
Eric ran through 2 of the cheaper ones, so got this guy. We picked that up, and hopefully that'll work for cutting.
It's like the upgrade from the cheap version.
It's just one step up. Just a step up.
why buy something that I'm going to tear up anyways? Cutting this monster up. So, I'm going to try that. See what happens. Seems okay. A little bouncy. Oh. Flipping and flapping. Alright, boys and girls. Oh yeah.
We have a convertible.
More straps.
Bye, Scraps.
So my plan is we're using the floor. Alright, so we're using all the inside floor. All this. So down here. Now you can see where I drew a line. I'm going to cut that and then up over. And then this will come off. And we'll have the back panel for the seats, the back seats. And then we can make, because what I'm thinking, since this car's longer than our Mustang, hold on, I can hear my thoughts. So we know the Mustang's shorter than this car. This is 114, I think it is, something like that.
I don't know. We did the math in
It's
the last
something like
video.
that. Anyways, but that's
6
100
inches needs to go in.
That's
6 to 7
118
inches.
or 108. So
Yes.
what I think I'm going to do, if it lines up the way I want it, And I might cut out like 4 inches of the back of the frame, and then take out 2 inches out of the fender, so you'll never see where the car got shortened or longened or whatever you want to call it. So,
Longed.
longened. That's a good word.
Lengthened.
Lengthened. So yeah, that's. But my
the
main
plan
goal
for now.
today is get this rest of this scrap out of here so we can do a scrap run.
Stupid safety.
Stupid safety's in the way. Who put safety stuff on here? Alright. Got ventilation now. Finish cutting over there. Finish cutting that right rock. I think we're trying to saw this rock.
Alright.
It's out like that's.
That
Hey,
won't.
hey, that Bauer thing.
That's not gonna cut it.
I gotta say the Bauer cut-off wheel way better than that one we were using.
Thumbs up. Safety first. Proceed.
Oh, welcome back to Two Wood Rock. Hopefully it's long enough to get in there. I can't tell if it's all the way through or not. No, we're not all the way through. I can see right there. Still got. I mean, it's close. How am I going to do that? How am I going to cut that? Without.
Can you go from the bottom?
The frame's right there.
Oh.
Yeah, so it has to be like, yeah. I mean, if I cut the frame, I think we're through now. If I cut the frame, I can follow it. Yeah, we're through. There's one side. Really close to the frame, like it's like right there. That blade is just kind of like slapping. I can't get
Slap of the blade.
I can't get it with the cutoff. You know why, right?
There's a weird angle. Cause of the stupid safety.
Do I trust myself enough to do the? Oh no. It's fine. Everything's fine. What are we on? What's going on now? It's something right there. Let's get this side free and that side free.
Sounds good.
It's fine. It's fine. All right, let's break this side free.
All right.
That was good. Now, let's see what we got going on up yonder here. If I can see it, I can have a better like.
Understanding of it.
Oh no, we've been to the floor. Oh no. What will we do?
Don't hurt it.
Don't cut the car on. Wow, there's two braces. 1, 2. Same thing.
Boom.
Okay, so when I bolt these, it should come off.
Okay.
Please be careful.
I love you.
I know, please be careful, man. Ready? It's gonna fall once we get past that. goes. Ready? So happy about that.
I know, I'm very proud of this.
I mean, I don't care about that. I ain't nothing.
Yeah, but it's just a little nick. That's nothing.
The frame's not even, I mean, we're good.
Golden!
I think my vision was we put seats in, and I don't know if we have to move it back. Can't remember. Like, this whole piece would have to go like for the back seats to sit in there. But we might not even have back seats, you know. We might just put a roll cage in.
We're not.
Straight cut so it didn't fall off.
Well done.
Yeah, that's pretty lucky. Now, that's up. That's way better. All right.
So next up will be the rockers.
Yeah, and I gotta make, once we get the body on, I gotta make like brackets for this because now the gas tank's moving, moving around.
Movie.
Yeah, so I'm gonna make braces, goes across. I think we can cut like right there, cut that frame, and I think the Mustang will sit perfect behind there. I just gotta do a lot of measuring, a lot of math. So, that's what it is now. Hopefully by, let's see, what are we in, September?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully like the middle of October, this body will be welded on.
That would be pretty amazing.
And, we can start doing all the sheet metal work. We are going to relocate the filler neck though. So yeah, more scrap means more money.
More money to do more stuff to the body swap. We appreciate you all following along. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and give us a comment.
Give it a like, would ya?
And we'll see
For
you
the
next
boys.
time.